to Be Creative Stamping and my Be Creative tip of the week. In today's tip, I'm going to share with you how I label my embossing folders. To label my embossing folders, I do use the P-Touch Brother label machine. I've had mine for several years, and so if you go to look for one just like this, you're probably going to find an updated version. So to start out, let me show you the embossing folder again. Simple stripes. I like to use Deco Mode number 10. Okay, and so when I print this label, I'm going to have this little graphic in the left corner. So what I do is I just turn on my P-Touch, and then right here where it says Deco Mode, I push that button, and I have Design 10, which is the design that I want. So I click OK. I'm all right with the label length. And for text 1, I'm going to type in Simple Stripes. That's the name of the embossing folder. I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to text 2. Text 2 is the second line of printing. And so it's item number 145648. And so then it'll ask me if that's okay and if it's okay to print. So I'll go ahead and print this label. Again, it's Deco Mode 10 if you have a P-Touch. All right. And I cut it, and at this point you'll notice that I do cut off the little graphic right here on the end. So I just use my Stampin' Trimmer and just trim the label. And so that's how I label my regular embossing folders. Lovely Floral is a brand new embossing folder, and it will debut in the 2018 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. The impression, once you run it through the Big Shot, will have this image. Now, this is one of our dynamic embossing folders, and so I wanted to be sure that I put that on the second line as well. So it'll say dynamic, item number, and there it is. With the dynamic folders, you probably already know that you only need one cutting pad when you run this through the Big Shot. This gives you a deep dimensional embossed impression. So the impression is more three-dimensional than a regular embossing folder. So thanks so much for joining me today in my Be Creative Tip of the Week.